Abhishek Malhan, aka Fukra Insan, has been grabbing a lot of headlines ever since he entered into the Big Boss house. His bond with fellow YouTuber Elvis Yadav and Manisha Rani in the house has been loved by the fans. One of the most popular contestants in the Big Boss house, Abhishek Malhan has a crazy fan following on social media. Malhan has over 3 million Instagram followers and over 6 million YouTube subscribers. He has even earned a nickname called the Mr. Beast of India due to his popularity among the younger generation. The young YouTube sensation enjoys a lavish lifestyle and owns some of the most expensive things. Talking about his net worth, then the social media influencer reportedly has an estimated net worth of around $1 million, which is equivalent to 8 crore rupees in India. He also earns through live streaming, music videos and brand endorsements. Apart from this, Abhishek also owns a swanky house worth rupees 16 crores. He also owns luxurious cars like Jaguar, Mercedes and other sports cars. His latest car approximately cost rupees 1 crore, which he bought with his brother Nishchay, who's also a YouTuber. Well, overall, the young YouTuber enjoys a really fancy lifestyle. From owning luxurious homes to swanky cars, Abhishek's lifestyle is no
मैच
नहीं है, बिग बॉस कौन जीतने वाला है?
सिस्टम है भाई। ये मेरा डायलॉग है।
हंसा रहे हैं, सब कर रहे हैं, सिस्टम ही जीतेगा।
तो क्या लगता है एंड तक कौन 2 लोग आ पाएंगे?
फुकरा और राव साहब।
मुझे तो लग रहा है कि फुकरा इंसान जीतेगा इस बार।
मनीषा रानी, क्योंकि वो थोड़ी डोमिनेटिंग है।
मनीषा या फिर फुकरे के भी चांसेस हैं जीतने के।
सुपरस्टार जब से गया है और उसके बाद से जब एल्विस जैसी उसकी एंट्री हुई है, मुझे लगता है कि वही जीतेगा। मतलब
कौन? राखी सावंत है। राखी सावंत, डॉली,
ऑब्वियसली सिस्टम।
क्या लगता है कौन जीतने वाला बिग बॉस?
बिग बॉस मेरे ख्याल से बेबिका जीतेगी या पूजा भट्ट भी हो सकता है।
मुझे लग रहा है कि फुकरा इंसान